Ready to turn your entrepreneurial dreams into reality by tapping into Temu's massive marketplace? Let's dive into how to create a Temu seller account and start selling. First, head over to the Temu website or app. Look for the option to sign up or something along the lines of Sell on Temu. This is usually found at the bottom of the homepage or within the account settings. You'll be directed to a registration form. Fill in all the required information accurately. This will typically include your business name, contact details like your email and phone number, and your business location. Pay close attention to the business type field, selecting the option that best represents your operation, whether you're an individual seller or a registered company. Now that your account is set up, it's time to start listing your products. Ensure you provide clear and concise product names, detailed descriptions highlighting key features and benefits, high-quality images showcasing your items from various angles, and accurate pricing information. Don't forget to specify the available quantity. To get paid for your sales, you'll need to configure your payment settings. Temu typically offers options like linking your bank account directly or using popular payment gateways like PayPal. Double-check all the information you enter, especially your account number and routing number, to avoid any payment issues down the line. Congratulations! You've successfully created your Temu seller account. Familiarize yourself with the seller dashboard. From here, you can manage your listings, track your sales performance, process orders, and respond to customer inquiries. Good luck and happy selling!